I need sunshine, I need angels, I need something good that I need. Blue skies, I need.
Look at the ground, guys. Okay, I am on my way. Oh, it's snowing. I'm on my way to go to the bookstore so I could get my textbooks. I haven't drove in a long time. Just saying. Month long. I don't think I drove because I had a month long vacation. Oh, I hope everything goes well. I need to pray to God. Does anybody know what's going on? It's like going, the timer's going, but this isn't going. I have no idea what's going on. If you guys know, let me know. It's so weird.
Oh boy, yeah. What? You know what? I sure do, and I ain't gonna let you slide, because I know you know.
I don't know!
Right. So, audience, don't y'all want to know too?
Yes!
Are you keeping it a secret? I mean...
I'm not keeping it a secret. I just want to be surprised.
Okay.
Combination of smarter acne medicine plus ultra-perfecting skincare. The results is off the charts.
I love Proactive Plus. My pores look smaller now, way smaller, and my skin feels velvety, smooth.
See, these commercials always get to me, but I don't know if it'll work.
So many amazing results. Acne medicine and skincare this good could cost over $200. But call now and get Proactive Plus, not for $200, not $100, but for just $29.95. That's an incredible value.
And next thing you know, when you call them, they're gonna be like $29.95 a month.
And now you can with Proactive Plus.
Act fast and call 1-800-390-7298.
Oh my goodness, you guys, I hate it when I take off my glasses and it pulls out my hair. So I have the hiccups, and I was drinking my water, and I technically almost choked because of my hiccup. I was drinking, and the hiccup came back, and it choked.
Switch today and get 2 safe driving bonus checks a year for driving safely. Only from
I was just gonna ask if it was gone. It is not gone.
Here's what we're gonna do. Just stop! I'm gonna go home. Stop it, we're cops, act like it. I will be reading the part of DeAndre, the man in question. Jaquande? You read Jaquanda. I'm not gonna do that. What are you?
I just made myself noodles that I've been really loving recently. So yeah, this is probably one of my favorite noodles ever.
Pretty good right here.
Right now.
Oh God.
And I have Peggy the panda here.
Right. You need it, man. The gong.
I don't think I make these noodles as good as Vanessa.
Wow. Okay, this sucks shit. This isn't cool.
Vanessa came back, she did a blood drive, and she got a $5 Dunkin' Donors. Oh, that's really cute. Oh my gosh. I always see this on Yay, how it, it's yellow.
Iodine.
This iodine.
For volunteer, and I donate. The red one means that I've done it before.
And
Yeah, so they have the canteen. I was at the canteen.
What's canteen?
The area where you eat snacks after you donate blood.
Oh, that's what it's called. Oh, I don't like this. Oh, but I love everything else.
I got more Cheez-Its. Oh. I got each of us a fruit snack.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at these. These are so cute.
Oh my gosh.
They had apple juice, cranberry juice, ginger ale, and water.
This?
I took that though. Took one. We were like at the end of the blood drive because I think they take back the food, so we were stacking up snacks. I'm like, can we take this, miss? And then when I donate blood, I felt so lightheaded, so I ate snacks. And they're like, you know, you can eat more. Like, and I ate like 5. And then I ate
fruit snacks.
Like no, I ate like 2 fruit snacks, a lot of Cheez-Its, cookie.
I don't. Oh, cookies!
Yeah, there was fudge strips, the M&M cookies, and the regular chocolate chip cookies in the vending machines.
That wasn't a canteen. That was a snack party.
That's a canteen, but since we were working at the canteen, we could just like, you know.
Heck.
It was like volunteer work too.
Now we gotta wait for Valerie to get home.
For what? Give the noodles to her.
Oh no, I was just saying just to. But yeah, that too. That could work. I'll try asking her.
Aren't you a little out of your jurisdiction?
Look at how the security guard spelled her name.
It wasn't a security guard, it was Beth.
Oh.
You know that?
Oh,
yeah.
oh, Beth.
Like,
I keep forgetting.
Vanessa, not Vanessa.
Wasn't she in a guard outfit before though?
Yeah. Well, she's not really a security guard, but.
What is she?
I don't know. She's like one of those guys.
Wait, but look at how Beth spelled Vanessa's name.
Clearly, I said Vanessa.
Vasessa.
She probably knew it was wrong, but then she just went on.
Oh gosh. Imagine somebody stopped you and be like, this says Vasessa. It's not Vanessa.
And I gave out my phone number to American Red Cross. What song does that to you? Hey, vlogging!
They're my third favorite group.
Who's your second favorite group?
Got7.
And this is
BTS, Bangtan Boys.
Bangtan Boys?
Yeah.
Bangtan?
Bangtan.
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 Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment, and I will see you next time. Valerie. What? Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.